So this is 4, this is 5. So midpoint of these two, that means average. So that things I missed in the last class. Else whatever is written, that is the median. So now if I will run this, then median will be 4.5 because it is matching with 60. So it is matching with 60, that means 4, and the next element is 5. So 4 and 5, average will be the median. Is it okay to everyone?
Sir, we can move the I plus one to below the ellipse means else.
Where?
Like you wrote while the condition, then below that you wrote I equal to I plus one. I think
Okay.
that will be go to the after else condition.
Why? See, if we will get the location, then we are doing median. So it is outside the loop. First check the location where it is less than n by 2 or not. That I will get. So it will check when for that I it is equal to n by 2 or not. See what
Yes,
is
sir.
happening
Yes.
here. Yeah, what is happening here? If suppose it is 6, like 29 is less than that, so it will give number 3. Okay, this 29 is less than 3, that is number 3. But here we are adding 1, it will the next one is equal to n by 2 or not. Like previous one is less than n by 2 anyway. So the next one is equal to n by 2 or not. Is it okay?
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
See, up to that it will give what I which is less than 60. Then we are adding one more. It will become the next one. So next one we are not comparing. It will automatically stop. I will not increase. So for that I will check that I. That means the next one is equal to 60 or not. So loop will stop up to 29 because it is less than n by 2. But I will increase because of this I equal to I plus 1. It will become 4. Then it will check at fourth location this is equal to 60 or not. If yes, then this is the median. If not, then the corresponding value is the median. I think it is clear. So now we'll move to the quartile. The same thing we will do. So I'm just copying this data. So suppose up to this only. So first we'll see just normal raw data, how to find quartile. Suppose this is the data that is given from these values. X equal to 8, 11, 31, 5, 25, 5, 9, 6.
First we sort ascendingly or descendingly.
So now here we have to divide the data into 4 equal parts. So what is the first step?
So we will sort.
Yes, first we'll sort. So for sorting, what to write? We have to sort the column
df dot sort values.
df dot sort underscore values, and then
in parenthesis write x.
so I'm sorting and resetting the index. So if I will run this, just 1 minute.
Sir, reset underscore index, no?
Yes, reset underscore index, and that I have to declare some variable. I'm calling it df. This is a previous index, this is the new index, and this is the sorted column for x. Is it okay? So previously data was 8, 10, 11, this, so 6 is, so this 5 is the minimum, so it is coming in the ascending order up to 31. So can you tell me what will be the median in this case by looking this data?
Sir, 10.
So total how many? 9 points. So definitely this one is the median. And if you divide into 3 equal parts, so middle one is this one, and then this half it will divide into 2 parts, and then again divide into half. Then 8 will be the median of from 5 to 10, and then 15 will be the median from 10 to 31. That means total 4 equal parts: 8, 10, and 15. Is it okay? That will be the quartile.
Sir, for quartile, we don't take the median value. We for quartile it would be
Yeah.
the mean of 6 and 8. For quartile 1, that should be 7, and for quartile 3, it should be mean of 15 and 25, which will be 20.
15 and 25. Why?
Sir, because when we, sir, first we take it in half. Sir, first we find our medium. Then we are left with 4 values on the previous side and 4 values on the next side. So then after that we take the median of those 4 values.
No, no. So means we'll take this 5 value and this 5 value, including median, and then
Sir,
we'll divide.
I read a bit about quartiles, sir. In that, what I understood that after taking median, it was left alone. Then then the remaining data were treated independently.
No. See, you are dividing in, like, median means you are dividing into 2 equal parts.
Yes, sir.
Quartile means we are dividing into 4 equal parts.
Yes, sir.
So 4 equal part means you have to set some q1, q2, q3 so that it will become 4 equal parts. So it will start from 5. Okay,
Yes.
then after 1 you left, then 8 will be, then this 8, then 9 left, then 10, 11, then 15, then 25, then 31.
So then, but if we take 8 and 15, then it is not equal parts, sir. Because if we take 8, then on that side of 8 there are two, on left side of 8 there are 2 values, while on right side there is only 1 value. But if there's 7, then the 2 values on its left side are 5 and 6, and then on its right side are 8 and 9. So that's why, sir. It's if we take that like that, then only we are getting
1 minute, 1 minute.
yes, sir.
So I'm just writing. I think I wrote all, or I missed something.
No, sir. All you have written all the values.
5, 6, 8, 11. So 10 and 4, yeah, 4 this side. So now the target is to divide the data into 4 equal parts. That means we
Yes.
need 2 more so that it will divide into 4 parts.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So now what you are saying, tell me.
So first we took 10 as median. Then we are left with 2 equal parts of the data.
Yes.
4.
So now what we'll do, we'll find the median of 5, 6, 8, 9, 10.
No, sir. We'll find medians of 5, 6, 8, and 9. Then only, sir.
Okay. So now what will be the median of here? You are
Sir,
saying it is
7.
between 6 and 8.
Yes, sir.
Yes. So it will come 7,
Yes.
right? And then again we'll do the same thing. So is that clear to everyone? So median will come something here, like means the 4 equal parts. So this 2 entry, then something will come, then 2 entry, then something will come, then again 2 entry, then something will come here. So I'm writing the quartile position. So Q1 will come here, the first quartile. Q2 is nothing but 10, and then Q3. That is the midpoint of 15 and 25. So now our whole data divided into equal parts, like 2 entry 5, 6 here, then something will come, and then 8, 9 here, then 10, then 11, 15, then Q3, and then 25 and 31 for this example. Is that clear? So now the same thing we'll do by program. First tell me, is that clear? This Q1, Q2 and Q3. We know the answer. Q2 will come 10, Q3 will come the average of 15 and 25, and Q1 will come the average of 6 and 8. Right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So now first we'll calculate what.
So first we'll
And then
calculate the
divide by 4.
median.
Yeah, first we can calculate the median the same way. So now what is this 10? 10 is the location number 4. Q1 is the location of what? So I will do. So first we have to calculate n. What is n? That means the total number of data points. So how many total points here? What to write? So that it will give the total.
Sir, df dot shape square bracket 0.
Yes. df dot save and then 0. If you print n, we will get the value of how many total here. In this case, if you run, it will give 9. So now we have to find the quartile. So what he's suggesting, first find the median and then again median, you will get the answer. Like,
Yes, sir.
but if we are same thing we will do in case of decile or in case of percentile, then what to do? So like for quartile, we need to find Q1, Q2, Q3. That means 3 entry Q1, Q2, Q3, which are dividing the data into 4 equal parts. For decile, we need D1 to D10 or D9 for decile. For percentile, we need P1 to P99. So we need a program which will give whatever we want. Like if we want Q3, it will give Q3. If you want Q2, it will give Q2. So here only 3. In case of decile, D1 to D9. So if you put 8, it will give some D8. If you put 7, it will give D7. So something like that I want to make a program. So what to do for that? Yes, can anyone tell? See, I want something like that. If I will put suppose 1, it will give Q1. If I will give 2, it will give Q2. If I will give 3, it will give Q3. Like what we want, that only it will give. So something like that. For this question, I want 8 decile. That means if I will enter 8, it will give answer for 8. If I will give 54 for percentile, it will give 54 percentile.
Yes, sir. We will use the formula in terms of I.
So now what? Okay, we'll use the formula. So whatever you will tell, I will write. Then later we'll modify. So we got n, that is 9. Now what to do?
Sir, n plus 1 into I by 4 we will calculate and store it in a variable.
N plus 1 into I by 4. What is I?
Sir, the index of the quartile like Q1, Q2, then in that I
Yes.
is 1, 2, like whatever.
Yes. So in this case, I is running from where to where?
I is running from 1 to 3.
Yes, in case of quartile, it will go up to 3. In case of decile, it will go up to 9. In case of percentile, P1 to
It will go up
P99.
to 99.
Okay. So for this
We
example, I
will
am
store it
calculating.
in K.
Yeah. So I am store means writing. Yeah, I will store in K also. So I will print also K. So I am calculating all. Like for I in range, we start from 1. It will go up to 3 only. 1 to 3. So let us see what n plus 1 into I by 4 will give. I am printing K. So if I will run this, it will give 2.5 and I equal to 1, 2, 3. It is giving 2.5, 5 and 7.5. Right? So based on that, can you calculate what will be the quartile? So 2.5 will be somewhere here in between. 5 means this one. And 7.5 means somewhere here. So okay, tell me what is the location of Q1, Q2 and Q3? This Q1, Q2 and Q3. In this example.
Sir, Q1 is between 6 and 8.
Q1 is between 6 and 8. So 6 and 8 between means as index point of view, it is between 1 and 2. Like if you see index, not x. Like 1 and 2 average is Q1, 6 and 8 average. Right? So here as a index point of view, it is 1.5. Here it is the fourth entry, and here it is between 15 and 25, that is 6, 7 average. So in terms of the entry point of view, Q1 will be something 1.5, 1 and 2, Q2 is 4, and Q3 will come between 15 and 25, that means some 6.5 in between. So if you do this like n plus 1 into I by 4, you will get 2.5, 5 and 7.5. So what is the exact one? 1.5, 4 and 6. 14. So we'll subtract. So it will become 1.5, it will become 4, it will become 6.5. So once you will get 1.5, 4 and 6.5, can you find Q1, Q2 and Q3? Yes, can anyone tell? So what I am saying that this minus 1, if you run, you will get 1.5. This is the location for Q1, this is the location for Q2, and this is the location for Q3. That means the fourth, the x corresponding to the index 4 will be the Q2, x corresponding to the index 1.5 will be Q1, x corresponding to the index 6.5 will be Q3. So can you write Q1, Q2, Q3, or can you tell what will be Q1, Q2 and Q3?
So we can, for 1.5 we can take the value of index value of x at index 1 and at index 2, then we put the average like that.
Yes, that we have to do. So I have to write the formula for Qi. I already give in the PDF.
Sir, if k is giving the index, then we can simply do k minus 0.5 and k plus 0.5, and we will take the average of both indexes.
Right. Here we can give
Corresponding
like
to
k.
x on the
Yes,
corresponding
if you
x.
add 0.5 and subtract 0.5, we'll get here. Here similarly, if we add and subtract, what about this 4? We'll add or subtract?
Mid one will be as it is.
So in this case, you are saying mid one is as it is. If I will add something or change the data, like then it will remain same or not? For n here total how many? 9 data points. So mid one will remain same, like n plus 1 by 2 is divisible by that. So that's why you are getting the integer. But I need
Sir,
a general thing. Yes.
sir, since second quartile is the median, then we can calculate the median and put it in the place of second quartile.
Yes. Yeah. That also we can write Q2. We can write separate formula, and Q1 and Q3 we can write separate formula.
Yes, sir, that we can do.
Okay. So that is the in terms of this. Till now I am not writing. I already gave the formula. The same formula I will write. But suppose I will add one more point here. So give me one more point.
So 23.
23. So now I'm running. Here now it is giving 1.75, 4.5, 7.25. Then what you will do? So 23 added here, that means it will come here somewhere. So now tell me what will be the median, what will be the Q1, Q2, Q3. So can I write like this? Q2 will come here or no? Now tell me what will be median first.
So median is 10.5.
Yeah, so again, where will be the Q1 and where will be the Q3. Then this 8 will be Q1.
Yes, sir. And 23 will be Q3.
23 will be Q3. So in terms of index, if you talk, this will come between this, that means 4.5 something. Q3, that is
2.
23, it is 7.
20. Yes, sir.
And
And
Q1,
Q1 is
that
2.
is Q1 is 2. So that means we want something 2, 4.5 and 7.
Sir, otherwise we can use box plot for identifying the quartiles. Can we do like that? Hello.
So can anyone suggest what to do here?
Sir, you have already given the formula. We can.
Yeah, we can use the formula, but formula for what index? Formula you give, that is correct. I will use the same formula. It's not like that I will change the formula.
Sir, do we have to take 4 different cases?
4 different cases. If you do like this, then decile case, will you take 10 different cases? Or percentile case, will you take 99 different cases? The answer is definitely no.
Sir, can we
Yes.
use box plot for identifying the quartile?
No, you can use that. That will also give, but here you have to do in this. Like there is already some commander there. They can. So there is one function that is called integer function. So I'm going to apply that function here, that floor and seal function. And let us see what this floor function will give. In this case, math.floor. It will always give integer value. There is no decimal kind of thing will come. So for that I have to just import the library math. And let me run this. So now it is giving 258. 2, 5 and 8. Can we do something? Or even if I will write something like that ni by 4 will get 257. So getting n 5 depending on it is even or odd. Like if even is there, then we'll take these two cases 2 and 7, and in between we'll write some different formula. Will not take the average. Like in this case, average is not required, but in the middle average is required. So is that clear what I am going to do? Like for 2 7 I will directly take this 2 7 in this case. For this I will do average. Is it okay?
Sir, what if we had 8 entries?
Yeah, so I will delete and I will just show you the previous case. It is giving 2 4 6. So we know the middle one is the median, and 2 4. Instead of here we have to take 1 2 average. So average we have to take in here 6 and 7.
But sir, if we had 8 entries, then we'll have to take average on for every quartile.
8 entries. So here total how many entry? 9.
So 9.
Okay, reduce one more. Which one I am deleting one more? So here we got 2 4 6 again. So now in this case, what will be the median? What will be Q1, Q2, Q3 in this case?
Sir, Q1 will be 8.5, Q2 will be 10.5, Q3 will be 20.
Yeah, so Q1 will be the average of these two.
Yes, sir.
And here it is 10 and 11. That means the average of this. And here
Yes.
again, we have to take the average. So now the question is what to do and how to do. Like if it is visible by 4, we are getting there, and here in between 4.5. So now the scenario is changed. So tell me what to write or how to do. Formula anyway will write. So here also we, like suppose 8 and 9 will not use, we will use the formula. We will not take the average actually 8 and 9 for Q1. We will take some 3 by 4 of this, 1 by 4 of this, and then we will get the Q1. Similarly here 1 by 4 of this and 3 by 4 of this, then we will get the value. And here this 3 by 4 and 1 by 4 for middle point is half and half. So that's why a midpoint. But first we have to fix which location we want to do. So I told the next lab, this is for you only. Means I will not do anything. That is completely for your. You have to do yourself. If you tell, I will write something. If you will not tell, I will not write anything. So this in this once this index will fix, then what is this Q? I will write that formula. So here only 3 entries there, so I am just declaring Q somewhere here. Q equal to something np dot zeros. Zeros one column. So this is now Q1, Q2, Q3 are 0. So I am writing the formula for Qi. Like it will give first Q1, then it will give Q2, it will give Q3, Q4 and all. So when I equal to 1, it will give Q1, I equal to 2, it will give Q2, I equal to 3, it will give Q3. And what the formula is this? Something 1 minus
I by 4. 1 minus I by 4.
yeah, 1 minus I by 4. Then
Value of
df.log, which entry we will do, that entry you have to
xk.
fix, and then here I by 4, then star something comma x. So we can make like cases also. This is just one setup, and this k is always here. It will give the floor function. That means it is either integer. So like what to write, k here, k plus 1 or k minus 1 or what. For the timing, I'm writing k plus 1. Definitely it will not give the correct answer. Okay, something is wrong here. This 3 0 1 2 3. Okay. So because index is starting from 0, so it will start from q0, q1 and q2. So now if I will print q, it will give the some wrong answer for the quartile. Some 9.25, 13 and 29.5 in this case. So now what to do for this k? Once the k will fix, then this formula will work. Q2, Q3. In this case, total 9. So here it should come 10. In the middle, it's coming something 10.5. Here it is coming 8.25. And here it is coming 22.5. Like between 15 and 25, 22. Here between 8 and 9, something it is coming. Should come something between 5 and 8, and then 10. That means you have to fix the index proper. So now think of the index and tell me the correct one so that I can do. Means I can apply this formula. And here when I equal to 2, that will become, this is 1 minus half is half, and this is half, so it will give the average value. That is the median here, like average midpoint of this. But for the q1 and q2, it is not actually midpoint. It is something 3 by 4 this side, and 1 is some convex combination of that. Not exactly the midpoint. Similarly for this is q3 also. So now tell me what case. This should be something else or something.
Sir, why have you written there qi minus 1? Why not qi?
No, see, we want Q1, Q2, Q3. Like Q1 means what? Q0. Like, because index will start from 0. So whatever we are calling Q1, Q2, Q3, for Python it is Q0, Q1, Q2. So that's why this I minus 1. Is that clear?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. In fact, sir, actually the voice is lagging too much. I don't know whether
There are a
others
lot of
are facing the same thing or not, but voice is lagging.
like Q0 means Q1 for us, because the index is starting from 0.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So
That I
that's why I
understood.
minus 1. So if you know which numbers you have to do this, apply this 1 minus I by 4 and I by 4, then you will get the correct quartile. But that number or that k, how will get exactly? That you have to tell. Once you will end up with the proper answer of k, even you can make some cases also inside, like when k is this type, then this is the formula. When k is that type, then this is the formula. Something like that also you can do.
Sir, whatever be the n, the the location k will vary or not, or it will be just constant for any n we take, like odd, even, or anything,
Yeah,
multiple of 4 or non-multiple of 4.
it will vary. That's why before starting this, I gave some example. When, like here, when n will, if I will add one more, then what will be q1, what will be q2, what will be q3. So definitely it will vary. But this time what I am doing, I am taking the integer part, so that it will always give some integer number. Based on that, can you get the location? Like it will come 2, and suppose average is 6 and 8, like between 6 and 8, suppose q1 is there, then k equal to 2 and 3. With the help of 2 and 3, you can take like k, and k plus 1 will give this answer. Like if it is also in the form of average, then also like 7 and 8 or 6 or 7 will give that answer. So I'm giving this data or something 25. So for this data, can you tell me what is q1, what is q2, and what is q3? Total 8 points are there. What will be q1, what will be q2, what will be q3?
Sir, Q1 is 7, Q2 is 9.5.
1
Sorry.
minute. Q1 is here,
Yes, sir.
7 in between 6 and 8. That is not just 7. Some 3 by
Yes.
4 of 6 and 1. Yeah, that one. Okay.
Sir, Q2
Q2
is
is
9.5
9.5, between 9 and 10.
and Q3 is 13.
Somewhere here.
Yes, sir.
So in this case, suppose this is the data. This is q1, this is q2, this is q3. In terms of index, if we say here, we are also applying the same formula for all cases, like between 6 and 8, between 9 and 10, between 11 and 15. In this case, this is for 8 number, like if data is the multiple of 4. So like suppose I will do for this only this problem up to 25 only. That means 31 I am removing here. So total 8 data. 8 data here, and the value of k, if you will print here, only I'm doing for this case, like to get the answer. So if you print this, it will give 246, location 246. So 2 means 8, 4 means 10, and 6 means 15, right? So if you have 246, if you subtract 1, you will get 135. So in between it is there. Like if 2 is there, then answer is in between 1 and 2. So in this case, if I will write here, this is value of k, then it is k minus 1 here, the previous value, that is 1, and this is 2. And if I will run this, it will give 5.75, 9.5, and 14, and it is giving the correct answer. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Sir, there are 9 points. Hello, sir, am I audible? Okay, sorry, sir. 8 points. 8.
Anything.
Sir, there are 8 points, but sir, then Q1 should be 6.5.
Q1 will be 6.5. Why?
No, no, not sir. In the table. In the table, sir.
In this table.
Yes, sir. We are getting 5.75.
Okay. Q1 will come between. Okay, this I wrote here wrongly. This is 4 and this is 5 in this data. So okay. So that is coming correctly because of this. So data is actually this 4, 5, 8, 9, 10, 11, 15, and 25. Now it is okay.
Yes, sir.
This is 4. Yeah, this is 4, 5. So in between 5 and 8 it is giving. So 5.75, 9 and 10 it is exactly midpoint, and then 11 to 15, one is 3 by 4 times, one is 1 by 4 times according to the formula. So this is k minus 1 will take this one and I by 4 here. So in this case, at least for this example, we are getting the perfect answer.
Sir, but
When any
Q1
yes.
should be 6.5, right?
Q1 should be 6.5.
Yes, sir. It should be the average of 5 and 8.
Oh, okay. It will be not. It will not be average.
One by third of fifth and 2/3 of 8.
I keep that it is not. It is not midpoint. Like 3 by 4 times this, 1 by 4 times this. If I equal to 3, it will be reverse. 1 by 4 times this, and 3 by 4 times this. If I equal to 2, that means midpoint. Is that clear? Not exact midpoint. If it is decile, it will be I by 10, here I by 10. So based on that, D1, D2, D3, it will change. Because I equal to 2, in between we are getting exactly median, that is midpoint. But Q1 and Q3 is not exactly midpoint.
Sir, Q1
So
we
this,
get by multiplying 1 by 4 in the previous and 3 by 4 in the later.
yes, here 1
And
by
then
4
add.
and here 3 by 4. Here it is reverse. So because I change k, so I have to change this also. Like it will be reverse actually. This one is k and this one is k minus 1. So 7.25 very close to 8, 9.5 and 12. It is close to 11. So in this case, that is the formula and it is giving the correct answer. Now if suppose I will add one more point, then what modification you have to do so that you will also get the correct answer. Like if I will add one more point, then what will be Q1, Q2, Q3? So I'm adding here, and then you have to modify. Like you can make a cases also. Like if this, then this is the case. So I'm adding one more point, something 23. So here also I'm adding 23. So now what will be the Q1, Q2, Q3? So exactly here 10 is the Q2. But what we are getting, it is coming the fourth location. So it should not be 9.5. It should not be like I by 4 and 1 minus I by 4. In this case, it is exactly 10. Then here what will be the Q1? Q1 will lie from where to where?
Sir,
Q1
5
will lie
and
between
8.
5 and 8. So here somewhere Q1 will go, and here between this Q3 will go. So now what change I have to make? So 5 and 8, it is giving correctly like 7.25, and here it is coming wrong like 15 and 23, but here it is coming something 12, that is completely wrong. So now what change I have to make, like what is the value of k and what is the formula, so that it will give the correct answer. That you have to think. So once you will able to do for like multiple of 4 with complete like multiple, then remainder 1, remainder 2, remainder 3. If you able to clear all these 4 cases, you will get some idea of what formula you have to write. Then you will easily able to extend for decile and percentile. So now what to do in this case?
Sir, what are the values of k we are getting? 2, 4 and 6.
Yeah, here we are getting 2, 4, 6. 2, 4, 6 means we are getting 8. Then we can go 5 and 8 here, no problem. Here it is giving exactly 4. And then here we are getting 6. Well, it should be between 6 and 7. Here it is exactly 10, and then from 10 to 25 it will be like between, it will be 15 only, it will not be 23. Yes or no? And Q1 will be 8. Yes or no?
So there are
Remember
9
again,
points
right?
now.
If you have something 9, 25. Yes, total 9 points. 4, 5, 8, 9, 10. These are the 5 points, and these are the 4 points. So this 10 will be the Q2. It is written Q2 equal to 10. And what will be the Q3 and Q1?
So Q1 will be between 5 and 8.
Q1 will be between 5 and 8. Why? See, this much. Yes. 4, 5, 8, 9 and 10. So I divided into two parts. Ten, 11, 15, 23, 25. Tell me.
Sir, most of the time voice was missing.
Yeah, because of some network issue here. So the original
Sir,
data is this one.
Sir,
Yes.
in the first case, you are saying that quartile is this breaking the set of data into 4 equal parts.
Yes.
So, sir, if we see before Q1, there are 2 points. Between Q1 and Q2, there is only 1 point. Between Q2 and Q3, there is 1 point, and after Q3, there are 2 points.
So why you are looking for points? See,
So
total
how?
what is the, yeah, x will start from 4, it will go up to 25.
Okay, sir.
So just, so what is the range here? Like 4 to 25. Some 21
Hmm.
divided by 4, something 5.25.
Hmm.
So that means 5.25, 5.25 something, it should be divided into 4 parts.
Okay, so
Like 4, after that 5 came, difference is 1. Then suddenly 8 came, the difference is 3. But if you're talking about the equality, then you cannot say that 4, 5 and then 8, that difference and that difference is much.
okay.
So if you say, think about the position wise, then you are right. If we think about value wise, so in range wise, it is equal, exactly equal. But in position wise, we don't know where it is. So like if you think like this, like here, this 10 is the median, there is no doubt. But if you divide into two, again two parts, then this 8 and 15 will be value of Q1 and Q3. Again the position wise, like first 2 divided by 2 parts, then this is the middle position, then again this is the middle position, and here again this is the middle position in terms of position. Is it clear, or anyone want to say something?
Sir, earlier you told like it was discussed that the Q1 will be between this 5 and 8 and the Q3 will be between 15 and 23. Then again,
Yeah, so that's why now you tell me which one is the correct one. That's why I wrote both things. I didn't deleted that one. That's why I wrote this one also. Then again I wrote and again I divided and again I'm telling the same thing. So now which one is correct? The first one, like whatever I wrote Q1, Q2, Q3, or the second one? Or you are confused? Because I made you confused.
So Q2 is correct, but Q1 should lie between 5 and 8 and Q3 should lie between 15 and 23.
Okay, that means Q1 cannot be 8.
Yes, sir.
That means like whatever the second method here it is written, it is wrong.
Yes, sir.
So everybody agree with him or not? First, that is the thing.
Sir, if we include 10, then it is okay. But if
Include
we
10.
not 10,
Okay.
then Ajit was telling 5.
See, dividing means two equal parts, so I wrote this is the first one and this one is the second, from 10 to 25, and then again I am doing the same thing, I am finding the median. That's why answer is 815.
Then that's okay, sir.
But what should be the correct one? Like whatever I am saying, that is okay, but what should be the correct one? It will be between 5 and 8, or it will be exactly 8. That is the question. So I will give more time, even think, or we'll discuss this thing in the next class.
Sir,
Or next
Q1
lab.
will lie between 5 and 8 and Q3 will lie between 15 and 23.
Yes. So, because see here if it is 10, then in between only one number, like 9 here, 4 here. So here two numbers. So if Q1 lies between here, that means if this is not equal, so this two number, then it will be between something, and then again two numbers, and then it will be in between something, that is Q2. Then again two number, this is Q2. Then again two number 11 and 15, and Q3 in between, and then again 23 and 25.
Yes, sir.
Two
This
number,
actually.
then Q1, then two number 8 and 9, then Q2, then two number 11 and 15, then Q3, then again two number 23 and 25. Now we have to identify this location. Once we'll identify this 15 or 23, any one, we can get the 3 by 4 of this, 1 by 4 of this will be Q3. Similarly here 1 by 4 and 3 by 4 of Q1. So this is the correct one, whatever I wrote now.
Sir, what is the logic behind taking 3 by 4 and 1 by 4?
What is the logic? See, we are not calculating midpoint, number one. See here between 5 and 8. So why middle point? Just tell me why middle point. So dividing into exactly half parts, then we can take midpoints. But here we are dividing into 4 parts. So whatever Q1, Q2, Q3, that is more close to the center in that sense. So that's why 3 by 4 and 1 by 4 we are taking. More close to center means more close to median. So this side and this side we will take 3 by 4 of this, 1 by 4 of this, like. But here the thing will become reverse, like 15 will take 3
Sir,
by 4 and
it
23
will
will take 1
reverse
by 4.
to.
Yes, it will reverse automatic. See, depending on this, if I equal to 1, then this will give 3 by 4, this will give 1 by 4. But if I equal to 3, that will give 1 by 4, this will give 3 by 4. Same kk plus 1 or kk minus 1. So now this one is gone. So based on that, you have to do everything. So I'm leaving this for you. The question is, can you do yourself or not? Because till now, whatever I gave, I already explained
I
you,
did
and
not
I gave
get.
what? Yes, if you have doubt, tell me. I will explain what is quartile.
Yes, I explain once me.
Okay. So what we have to do, we have to first find the median. Median, you know, in case of even and odd, you know what the median you will get, right?
Yes, yes.
So this is the case of even or odd, like how many numbers here?
Odd number.
Odd. Odd, then exactly you will get the middle point is a median because it is odd. Once you will get middle point, then you will get two parts. Like once this q2 equal to 10, you get two parts. One part is this one, this side, that is the lower half part, and one part is this one is the upper half part. Right? Upper half part and lower half part. Right?
Yes, 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 sir.
And then in this, where will be the q1 between 5 and 8? In this upper half, it will be between the 15 and 23. Between means I am not saying in the middle. It is depending on the 3 by 4 and 1 by 4. Right, this is the case of when it is odd number. Now we'll see some another case. Once we'll take one more. 8, 9, 10, 11, 15, 23, 25, and one more I am taking 30. So in this case, total how many?
9, sir. One
10
more.
So where is the median?
Average of 10 and 11.
So here is the median.
Yes, yes.
So I am putting this line. This is the location where now this location, this side 11 to 15 and this side is 4, 5, 8, 9, 10. So now what will be the Q1 and Q3 in this case? So this 8 will be Q1 and this 23 will be
Q2.
Q3.
And 20.
Yes, so it is clear that 8 will be Q1 and 23 will be. So like in this case, this one is the middle one and then again upper half and lower half Q1, Q3, and here this is Q1, this is Q3 and middle it is Q2. If you add one more, it will become the same case like this. Again, you will come back to this case only. And how to calculate Q1, Q3 or Q2? That formula is this one, like I by 4. So I equal to 2, that means you will get median, that is midpoint. I equal to 3, it is 1 by 4, 3 by 4. I equal to 1, it is 3 by 4, 1 by 4. So now both the cases you have to implement.
Yes, sir. Yes.
So one case you will exactly like even case this, odd case this. So similarly even odd you have to make two different cases. And then you have to write Q1, Q2 and Q3. So what this quartile means? Actually it means that it is midpoint, like median. That means 50% data this side and 50% data because it is middle position. Right? If it is median, that means the 50% data in the upper side and 50% data in the lower side because it is median. From that location 50% up and 50% low. In case of quartile, what will be the Q1 means? The 25% data bottom half and 75 on the top. Yes or no? Like this is 25, this is 25, this is 25, this is 25. All are 25, 25. So that means 25 is this side and 75 in the upper half. So this 25 means 1 by 4, 75 means 3 by 4. That's why this 1 by 4 and 3 by 4 we are taking. Similarly, here once we will reach, then 25 is this side and lower half has the 75%. So 3 by 4 and 1 by 4. and middle is 50-50, that means half. So between maximum and minimum, this one is 25, this one is 50%, this is 75%. Between maximum and minimum value, because we are arranging in ascending order. So whatever Q1 is there, 25% data will be there. Q2 means 50% below, Q3 means 75% below. So now is it clear?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So you have to find Q1, Q2, Q3. Yes, anyone have any doubt, you can ask. So what you have to do, you have to finish quartile, decile and percentile all. Not only this.
But if we go for pentile, then we will do same thing. Just in difference of the part only. Like in the fifth pentile case, we will distribute the data in 5 equal parts.
My voice is coming fine. My voice is audible?
Yes, sir.
Okay, can you repeat your question?
Sir, for the same data, like data of 10 points you have given, if we go for
Yeah,
pentile,
in this, the same data, you have to find quartile. 8 decile means D8 and P14, P54 for same data. So in terms of percentage we are talking, not in terms of number of points we are talking. 8 means 8 by 10. That means you
okay,
have to
sir.
find a location such that 8 by 10, like 80% is below and 20% is above. So whatever n will come, you have to take the 80% of that, you will reach to that location. Above that, whatever point is there using the formula, you can calculate from that location, like where it will lie, where it will belongs. It will belongs in 6, 7 or 7, 8. Once you will get that location, based on that you can calculate 3 by 4 of this, 1 by 4 of this, 9. Then this 3 by 4 of 7 and 1 by 4 of 8. In between will be there D8. Suppose 80% reach here, like here. So the answer will come between 7 and 8, corresponding to these x. Then 8 by 10 here and 2 by 10 there.
So, sir, to perform 8 decile, we have to calculate decile.
To perform 8 decile, you have to first find only the location of the 8 decile, where it will be. Not all, like D1, D2, D8, no need to find. You have to find where is the location of the 8th. Once you will get that location, If it is the exact number, then like suppose 23, then 23 the answer. If it is in between, then use the formula like 8 by 10 of this and 2 by 10 of 25. You will get the decile. Yes or no? Like here we are running loop I from 1 to 4. You have to, if you want to find all D1 to D10, D9, you can run from 1 to 10. Then here I by 10 and here also I by 10. But the thing is that you have to find the exact K. So here 8 by 4, like n times 8 by 4, and you will get the location. Once you will know the location, you can easily write this. So writing this program is easy as compared to what I am asking here. Here you have to only specify one decile. That means you are not worry or bother about where is the others. Only one formula you have to write. Similarly, one formula for this, one formula for this. Like here second quartile, the mean. So is that clear what to do in the assignment?
How to do in frequency case?
Yeah, frequency case means you have to find CF, cumulative frequency. Once you have the cumulative frequency, then you have to calculate this one. Like previously you are calculating greater than n by 2. See here, this is the same thing. Here n by 2, here n by 2, you got the median. So if it is like quartile, it will become, if it is first quartile, then it will become n by 4. If it is the second quartile, it is 2 times n by 4, that means median n by 2. If it is third quartile, it will become 3n by 4. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
And this one by this I plus 1, the location when it is equal, then this formula, otherwise this formula. Instead of this half, you have to write 1 minus I by 4. Here I by 4. Once I will change. If I equal to 2, it will become automatic half. So doing this is easy as compared to what I am asking for finding all. Similarly, like suppose you want to file like 54, then here it will become 54 n by 100. If it is equal to this value, then here 1 minus I by 100, here I by 100, I equal to 54 in this case. That means you have to put directly 1 minus 54 by 100 multiply by this and plus 54 by 100 multiply by this. No need to run this extra loop, whatever I am running here in this case. So I hope it is clear to everyone. So this is the first assignment I am asking without explaining to you. Like without telling how to do in Python, I am asking to you. So let us see who will do correctly and submit in that time. Yeah, any other doubt? The question is clear or not? Like what to do? How to do, I'm not asking. So okay, so can you tell me for this question, for this data, whatever it is there, can you find Q3 correctly. Like what to do for Q3. So this I am not writing, it is not required. Suppose you want to do only Q3. So that I am writing Q3. Because it is 3, so I am writing 3 by
Sir,
4. Here also 3 by 4. And here also 3 by 4. So total n, then you will search where n 3 by 4 means at which location. So I'm printing that k also. So in this case it is giving 6. So for this data, what will be the Q3? Q3 lies between
6 and 7.
6 and 7. So 6 we got, that k value is 6. So this is 6, that means 6 entry, and 7 means k
K
plus 1.
plus 1.
So it is 7. So which one is 1 by 4, which one is 3 by 4?
Reverse, sir.
Because below Q3, 75%. Above Q3,
Sir, K
20.
is
So whatever it is written, it is correct. So we got answer 21. That is 15 and 26. So we got the answer done, Q3. So like that I asked what D9 or D7, P54.
Okay, sir.
sir in this first one should be 3 by 4, na?
First one should be 3 by 4. No.
Because
See this
in the left of K plus 1.
21. So this location 15 and 23. Right. So below this
Yes.
number should be less than 75. Above it is 24. So whatever this 21 to 23 it is 1 by 4. 15 to 21 it is 75. Like this 15 and 23. In between we got 21. Right. So from 15 to 21, 75%. And above 21, from 21 to 23 it should be 25%. Yes or no? So from 15 we'll take, this is 15, we take
Yes,
3
sir.
by 4. So now what to do? From 15 this side is 3 by 4 and that side is 1 by 4. So here this will be 3 by 4 and this side will be 1 by 4. So this is 3 by 4 and this is 1 by 4. So it is coming 17. So is it correct or previous one was correct? What do you think?
Previous correct.
Previous correct.
Sir, 3 by 4 sir denotes the data, like all over data what is before that Q3. That is total
No, 3 by 4.
75% data is above and 25% data is below.
3 by 4 denotes that, like this side is how much, means like ratio, this side is 3 is to 1, you have to divide 15 and 23 interval. That is the meaning. Like 15 to 23,
Sir,
that
but
interval is that you have to divide 3 is to 1 ratio.
Sir, but in median case, like we used to do, it used to divide the data in half part, like half left and half right, and in between
Yes.
the median. Like that, if we consider in quartile, then Q3, if we consider Q3, then in the left of Q3, 75% of the data should be there, and on the right of Q3, there should be 25% data. It is
Yes,
not
right.
about, I think it's not about the points 15 and
No,
23. It's
no.
about the entire data
Yes,
X.
yes, it is about
Which
entire
is
data. That is correct.
the
Whatever you are saying, that is correct. But that point, like that Q3, what will be the Q3 according to this formula? Like, so that 75% data will be below that number. So if you come to in that particular interval 15 to 23, then you have to find a location such that in that so in this, what is the length of this interval, or what is the midpoint of 15 and 23?
so 19.
19. So whatever data, I mean, like whatever Q3 will come, it will be more than 19, because at 19 it is 50-50. You have to go further, then 75 will be below.
It means that it occurs, it shows both things in terms
Yes
of
or no?
data, the value in between the interval.
Yes, that's why otherwise we can take only midpoint.
Sir, but
What is the need of taking 3/4 and 1?
Yes, yes.
sir, but
Yes,
if
tell what is.
we are considering the method in which we, if you're sir, like we, sir, like you asked earlier that which of the two methods for query, we would or according to data, like whatever x values of x according to that. But then we came to the conclusion that yes, we should go according to the number of points. Then 3/4 and 1/4, that indicates the number of points, like the data, whatever the number of points, 75% data is below Q3 and 25% is above Q3, and not between 15 and 23 only.
See this n into 3. See n into 3/4 is giving 75%. That location here up to that 75% done. This here 3/4. Like n location means that index. So it will give that index. It is giving 6. 6 is the location where it is less than. So that means up to 15 data is less than 75%. Now from 15 to 23 we have to choose Q3 such that overall it will be less than 75. That's why we are taking 75 from 15 direction and then 25 from 23 direction. So both side we are taking, like this 75 already come. Now to decide the location also we are taking the same thing, 75 and 25 in that interval. So this will give also 75, and inside also interval we are considering 75. So the answer will be more than 50%. That means this side is 1/4 and this side is 3/4. More towards the 23, because then only it will give the 75%. That is 21. That is Q3. I hope it is clear. Yes or no? Or still some doubt?
Sir, in the formula, the length is not mentioned.
Length, see, we are not taking length anything.
Yes, sir. Then how we calculate the
Understood that
50%, 65%?
So see, length is not required. See, this 15 and 23 means what? Even you can take any interval, whatever length, doesn't matter. If you take 1 by 4 of this and 3 by 4 of this, then it will be go more than 50. Automatic. Whatever length, doesn't matter.
Then 3 by 4.
So length here, no role of length. The thing is that 23 and 15, these 2 points, you have to take in between so that it will cross, like above that 25 and below that is 75. In between 15 to 23. Here up to 6 we reach already by 75 and into 3 by 4. After that, once we are moving to find Q3, because 15 is not Q3, in that in between somewhere, then again we are using the same thing. And that is by this 1 by 4 and 3 by 4. That means 1 minus 3 by 4, here 3 by 4. Is that clear or still you have doubt? Yes, any doubt? So is it okay or still some doubts? Yeah, Uma Shankar, any doubt?
No doubt, sir.
Kajal, any doubt?
No, sir, no doubt.
Okay. Kafi Ajmi.
Sir, actually, I wanted to check the same for Q1. Like you said, na, ki, it takes
Yes.
the 75% between 15 and 23. Like that, I wanted to check for Q1 whether it takes
Yes, you
between
can check.
5 and 8.
Okay. So it is taking or not? If you check for Q1,
Sir,
that means
but actually, there is power cut here. Sir, there
okay.
is power cut here, and I have not much charge left in my phone. So I wanted to leave because, sir, can I? Sir, I will check it on my own. Whatever I was telling you for Q1.
Okay, no problem. 5 and below 20, below 26. Okay, okay, okay. Okay. Yeah, Q1 it is below 25, above 75. In case of Q1. Q2 50-50,
Sir,
Q1 75. Things will become reversed. Yes.
I send a code. Can you tell that right or wrong?
Okay, let me check. So just 1 minute. Yes, range 1 to 4, then k percentage 4 equal to 0, then df sort k minus 1. Else you are using plus I by 4 times this minus this. Yeah, else whatever you are using, the same formula also you are using. Like difference between these two is again same as 1 minus I by 4 into I by 4. Yes or no? The last formula you wrote for Q. The value at k minus 1, and then you are taking difference between k and k minus 1.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Like if you combine k minus 1 term, you will get 1 minus I by 4, because first k minus 1 location you use 2 times, like k minus 1 minus I by 4 times again in the bracket you wrote. So same formula you are using. So as a formula point of view, it is correct.
I am getting Q1 equal to 3.25, Q2 equal to 5.5, and Q3 equal to 8.75.
Yeah, that I have to see. You can check, you know what is the value. So if Q1 is lying from in which interval? 2, 3, 5. So we have to arrange first. It is already arranged. So Q1 lies between where to where?
Q1 lying between 3 and 4.
Okay, 3 and 4. So 3.25 is correct because it is less than 3.5.
Okay,
And
sir.
Q3 should be more than 50%.
8.75.
It is lies between 8 and 9.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, then it is fine if it is lies between 8 and 9. Then it is 8.75. It will go more than 8.5. And if you talk about Q2, it will be exactly at center. That is the midpoint.
That is 5.5.
Yeah, then it will be center. So any doubt if you have, otherwise I can stop the meeting.
Sir, I am saying that my code is right or wrong. Means
Yeah, for this problem it is correct, but maybe for other problem it may not work. Like if you add some more point, then just cross verify it is giving correct answer or not.
okay, sir. Okay, okay.